have made it coast to coast. 7,000 miles, 7,008 to be precise. Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe has not failed me once. Oh, what a journey. First solo road trip cross country. It was epic. So many good memories. I'm tired. When it gets warmer, now that it's February, maybe May, we'll be doing another road trip. This time we're going to be heading north to Virginia, across the country to Colorado, up north into Canada. We'll bring the beast. I'll have some new mods by then, some new mirrors, some heated grips. We'll be ready for anything the world has to bring and offer. Oh man, I'm tired. You know what Forrest Gump said? I'm pretty tired. I think I'll go home now. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I love you. Till next time. Peace.